Hey babe, I'm going for a run on the skidoo.
Alright, be careful.
Well boys, we had a little bit more snow. This is April 23rd. This better be the last bit of snow we get, so I'm telling you now. But seeing that we do got a bit of snow, I figured it's a great time for me to get a last run in on the skidoos while there's snow. Not saying we won't take it out later on when there is snow, but let's go see what it's like. So most of this footage is going to be shot using my GoPro. Hopefully it comes out good. Sometimes there do be a bit of wind noise, but I got a little muff around it, the GoPro, so hopefully the wind noise won't be too bad. I am going to set up my camera though on a few different spots, get a few flybys. If I come across anything cool like a good drift or a bit of water or whatever, I'll set up my phone, get a bit of better footage. But most of it, going to be driving footage on the GoPro. And no, this time I'm not wearing the yellow brain bucket, simply because I like to keep my teeth. And there's a lot of snow gone. There's mainly rocks and stuff. So if I do happen to go over the handlebars and smack my mouth off something, the helmet will take the beating, not me. Underneath the gate, but I don't think I'm gonna fit. Now for those of you that don't know, this is a $500 Skidoo MXZ 600 that I rebuilt in the last video. When I bought it, it had zero compression on one side. Turns out there was a big chunk under the piston. This is a 2003 with over 17,000 kilometers. So I just done a quick and dirty job, chucked a couple pistons in her with some new gaskets and way to go. She seems to run, best kind. It also got some sort of can on it, but I have no idea what brand or kind. We're gonna revisit this place later on in the video, and I might have got a little wet. The trail groomer must have just went through yesterday, because these conditions are excellent. Some of you guys are probably crying over the fact that I'm running over all these rocks, but I'm only into this thing for about 900 bucks, so I really don't care. This is a different style of video than I usually make. We're mostly just riding here with some GoPro footage. I put a bit of voice over here. So drop a comment, let me know what you think. Woo, lots of water. I had intentions on selling this screw, but after riding it for a bit, I kinda don't want to. She's a trooper. I always look around up here in the bags, because you never know, you could see some moose, coyotes, or some other kind of wildlife. Yeah, I know, I ran over about 33 trees in this video. This is an old cutover, but nobody's been cutting wood here for years. Screw, four-wheeler, tomato, potato, or something like that. How deep is this, I wonder? Oh, it can't be that deep, can it? All right, so hear me out. I don't think this is too deep. This is probably only like 3 feet deep, maybe, in the middle. See that ramp there? I'm gonna try to make it to that ramp. I'm gonna push those tires off the ramp, obviously. I'm gonna try to make them across there on the sled. And then on my way back, I'm gonna try to hit that ramp. Now it is made of wood and there's slippery snow on top of it, so I'm probably just gonna nosedive right into the water. What's the worst that's gonna happen? I'm also not that far from home, so if I do get water in it or it sinks or whatever, I don't gotta walk that far. Try to make it. Man, who's throwing all the garbage here by his cars? freaking doors and tires, everything. People are dirtbags, man. There's places called the dump. I don't know how deep this water is. I don't know if I can. Oh my god. Oh, it's not dead deep, is it? Oh, yeah, deep. Oh, my feet. Oh, no. Well, that's deep enough for. Maybe I don't know if I can get out there or not. It's too deep. Probably ought to zing back and forth a bit. Oh, I'd like to get them though. Alright, so I want to get those tires off so I can try to jump off of it, but I don't want to get sad. Wait. Oh my god, my oh my god, oh my god, I'm soaking. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh great. Freezing. It's gonna be sick, boys, sick. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh my god, I'm soaking. Oh my god. My neck, my wrist, my balls is froze, or whatever 50 Cent said. Frig! What was I thinking? Oh my god, hypothermia is coming. Woo! Shake this. We're gone. Oh! Now at this point, I'm completely numb from the waist down, and I actually don't love that for me. So we're gonna boogie back home in a hurry. But I got the shot, so that's the main thing. She's a certified ripper, and I'm certified froze. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.